In today's video, I'm gonna try to escape this room by just finding the key, and then after we escaped, we can put your YouTube names on the cardboard trophy or play button. In order to write your YouTube names, I have to escape. Really? I don't know how I got locked. Look at that. I'm locked with Bob here. I'm trying to edit the video, but okay. Look at that, it's locked. But I think there's a spare or extra keys for this door to unlock. Is that even possible? Yeah, I don't know. Go. Okay. I have no idea where's the. Okay, nothing here. I should check. Should I really check here? Nothing. Oh, hello. Okay, Bob. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Wait. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. What about here? That's disgusting. What about here? Rice cooker. Nothing. Okay. What about this one? Nothing. Hey, what the frick? Okay. Hold on. Okay, let me just. Okay, wait. Under here? Nope. Okay, what could it be? Nope. Wait. Nope. Okay, am I just gonna say nope every time? Seriously. Okay, there's like nothing here. Let me try here. Nope. Okay. What about here? I'm sure. No. Dang it. Do I really have to search here? I'm already tired. Okay. Oh my gosh. I hear something. I don't know which. Okay, let me put this back. Okay, there's nothing here. Wow, so funny, guys. Haha. Okay, what about like right here? This so tight. Okay, but okay, wait. Okay, wait. Oh gosh, it worked. Bob, okay, come on. Okay, actually, wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, go. What? Do I really have to search this? Do I really have to search the cardboard trophy too? Who played with it? You have got to be kidding me. Bob. Okay, come here. Okay, you know what? Just stay there. I'm just gonna leave this door open so you can come out anytime. Like this one. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. No. Oh. Maybe this one. Nothing. Oh, it's so heavy. Nothing. Yeah, maybe. Oh my gosh, stupid bike. Okay. Nothing. Does that look like my package? Okay. Give me the paintbrush for fun. Okay. Bro, where could it be? Okay, right here. Nothing. My shoes? Right here? Nope, nothing. Oh my gosh. It's gotta be here. Here. Maybe this cardboard box? Nothing. Bro, this is so lame. Bob is not helping me finding and write your YouTube name or someone else. Actually, the giveaway is over. So today, guys, so for those who are joining the Discord server, well, you might as well also join the giveaway. Also known as put your YouTube names in the cardboard box play button. But yeah, if you're a winner, then congratulations. I think I gotta put your name and maybe like 3 just to, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm getting distracted by the giveaways. Like maybe right here. But this is the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, nothing. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Right here. Okay, maybe here. Nope. Bro, is this where my trash can is? Are you actually serious? Nope. Or maybe like right here. Nope. How am I supposed to get past to this? I just gotta check. No. Lame. Okay. Dude. Oh my gosh, I'm actually tired. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Let's say like. Okay, what? It's gotta be here. No. Nothing. Okay, let me check right here. Okay, let's go back. I really hate myself. Not only that, I can finally write your YouTube channel name in this cardboard play button that I made that one video. You should just check it out right here or right here, whatever. And then now, let's check on Discord. I really excited about this. Now, I'm so sorry for those who did lose, but maybe I should put yours too. And there's also enough room, so I might as well put another winner here too. Okay, I done put their name into this cardboard play button, and guess what too? Yep, is Rex win the giveaway. For those who lose, I'm very sorry, but maybe next time I'm gonna do another giveaway. I'll put another name in here, like anywhere, like here or here or here, whatever. So yeah. So let's say here's the first one. So I'm just gonna say let's put number 1 in here for being the first one. Okay. Here's the first one right here. 1, the number 1. Actually, here's the first one, and he has 92 subscribers right now, and did not have 100. But that's okay, unless if he gets like 8 subscribers more, he gets it. He will be here. I mean, he's always gonna be here. But not only that, he gets a role of a play button and content creator. He will be in the background like this. Okay, he will be in the background like behind that Bob. Look at that. That will be in the background right now. And Bob is literally freaking blocking the names right here. Here it is. Since he's blocking, I'll block him. This. He will be now in the background, or there will be overlays like this, or there will be a bit overlay, hidden overlay like this. Can you find it? If you do, leave a comment. Okay. So, anyways, Bob. We're so mad, but anyways, thank you for watching this video. It's so entertainment. Ale!